Hi, I'm Craig Ishii, B2B Product Marketing with Logitech. We are excited to be bringing meetings in medium and large rooms to a whole new level with Logitech Sight. Now, there's a whole lot that comes right inside the box, and so today we're going to unpack it all, and we're going to show you what's inside. Let's take a look. So there's a lot of really great stuff that comes inside the box. First, we're going to start with Sight. Now, one of the questions that we get a lot is, what is this rubber strip that's around the Sight here? You'll notice a sign here that says remove after mounting. What this strip is doing is it's just protecting the two exposed lens on Sight as you're doing installation before it's been mounted. So let's imagine that Sight is sitting here freestanding, unmounted, and you're setting up maybe the table mount and you accidentally bump it with your elbow and it happens to fall over. Well, this rubber strip, again, is just going to protect these two exposed lenses. But again, after you've mounted it, after it's secured, you're going to want to go ahead and remove this rubber strip. Now, in addition to that, we also have included mounts for Sight inside the box. Now, we're going to have a whole separate video on setting these up, but I want to just show you what's in the box. First, for flat surfaces and tables, you have a table mount. For tables that have a hole in the middle, you can use our included grommet mount. And for those who want to use Sight freestanding, we also have a tripod mount as well. Now, there's a number of different peripherals that also come inside the box. First is our magnetic privacy shade. So the way that this works is you can just leave it here to cover both of the lenses on top. You can also slide it down to the other magnetic spot and have it be on Sight, or you can remove it completely. In addition to that, we have some rooms where you may want to install an additional mic pod. Well, you can plug the cable from that mic pod into this jack here, and then you can use this Ethernet piece here and plug it here onto the bottom of Sight. Logitech is also very passionate about cable management, and so we have two included cable management clips. And then finally, potentially the most important piece is the Sight dongle. So you're going to have one Cat cable that's going to run from Sight to PoE, or a PoE injector. You're also going to have a Cat 6 cable that's going to run from Sight into the back of this Sight dongle. And then you're going to take the dongle and plug the USB-A port into your rally bar here. You're then going to take the mic pod, and you are going to plug that mic pod into the mic pod port here on the rally bar as well. Now, the reason for this is that Sight is both audio and visual. So you've got your two 4K cameras here that are capturing video, but on top, you've also got 7 microphones as well. And so the Cat cable is feeding that information to the rally bar through, again, both of these ports, through your USB-A as well as your mic pod port. And so that is everything that comes inside the box for Sight. We just want to make sure that you have everything you need to get your Sight up and running. So we're excited that it's here. We're excited to be launching Sight. Welcome to the new logic of work.